So, the long-awaited moment is finally here. Black Friday 2023, bringing with it incredible deals on cameras, lenses, and photography accessories. These early deals cover a wide range of accessories essential for capturing stunning images. And in this video, we've compiled such 10 deals that can kickstart your journey as a camera enthusiast on the go. The Sony FX30 is the most affordable camera in Sony's cinema line. It's great for both video and still photography. The standout feature is its impressive video quality, capturing sharp and high-resolution 4K footage. The camera uses a 20-megapixel sensor in a Super 35 format, providing plenty of data for excellent results. When shooting at 4K 120p, there's a 1.6x crop, so keep that in mind for slow-motion shots. The FX30 offers 10-bit log options and various sign profiles, including the popular S-Cinetone profile, known for its flattering portrayal of skin tones, making it a great choice for filming scenes with people. You can get this now for only $1,600.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Well, the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD V2 is an upgraded and faster version of the original model. It's a tough external SSD that doesn't require special computer upgrades for maximum speed. It's durable, has password protection, 256-bit AES security, and comes with a 5-year warranty. You can easily attach it to your belt or backpack. Whether you're a photographer, traveler, video editor, or someone who needs quick access to large files, the SanDisk Extreme V2 is a reliable choice and has earned many accolades for rugged SSDs. With a 33% discount, it's now currently on sale for $99 only. Up next is the Canon RF52 mmF 2.8L dual fisheye lens, a lens designed for 3D virtual reality with a 180-degree view. You can create immersive experiences compatible with devices like Oculus Quest 2. This lens is the first of its kind, allowing stereoscopic 3D 180 degrees VR shooting on a single image sensor. You can also pair it with the Canon EOS VR system, using an EOS R5 camera with updated firmware. Additional software like Canon's EOS VR Utility or EOS VR plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro are also available as of now. Capture high-quality stereoscopic 3D with natural parallax and a wide 190-degree field of view, closely resembling human vision in 180-degree VR. This L-series RF mount lens is optimized for a folded optical path with 2 optical systems featuring 2 UD lenses. For the early Black Friday deals, it's now priced at $1,800. Here's another product from Canon that'll excite you the most. The EOS R5C addresses the limitations videographers face with the R5. With added vents and a cooling fan, overheating is eliminated, allowing for extended recording times limited only by memory or power. It includes features like waveform and vector scope monitors, audio recording with 120p clips, dual bass ISO, and the ability to record 8K RAW at 50 or 60p. The camera also supports accessories like XLR adapters, a tally light, and a timecode port. However, it's essentially a modified R5, lacking some features found in dedicated cinema cameras, such as a built-in ND filter, full-size HDMI port, and various mounting options, and it loses the R5's IBIS. Despite this, it offers 45-megapixel photos at up to 20 FPS. So, if you wanted the R5 for its video quality, but found its limitations challenging, the R5C is the camera for you, and get this now at a whopping $500 discount, priced only at $4,300. Alura photo accessories are designed to provide high-quality and affordable options for photographers. The hand strap fits well and feels like a good quality material. The cleaning cloths, especially the magic fiber, work effectively. The full cleaning kit is worth trying for its overall quality. The included hardshell case is a favorite, being soft to the touch and perfectly fitting all the items. It's great for storage and travel. The mini tripod works well with your camera and is handy for DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, or point-and-shoot cameras. It provides protection against accidental falls and is highly recommended for its quality at an affordable price. It's especially useful for vlogging, giving you extra reach without being heavy on your shoulders or arms. Get this one for $25 only. Next up, the Anaso Brave 4 action camera shoots impressive 4K 30 FPS videos and captures 20 megapixel photos, offering stunning clarity for reliving your life's moments. It provides precise details, allowing you to relive your beautiful memories anytime, anywhere. The camera features 170 degrees adjustable viewing and image stabilization with 4 customizable angles. Its built-in smart gyroscope ensures stable and shock-resistant shooting, delivering smooth and professional-looking footage. The camera is waterproof up to 131 feet or 40 meters when securely fastened in the included waterproof case, making it suitable for activities like swimming, surfing, or diving, enabling you to capture unforgettable moments effortlessly. So, what are you waiting for? Get this one for only $80. The SmallRig adjustable sling handle kit is designed specifically for DJI RS2, RS3, and RS3 Pro stabilizers. When the stabilizer's tripod is opened at the bottom, minimal arm force is required for fixed position shooting. The shoulder strap has quick detach mounts at both ends, allowing for easy installation and removal. The sling handle can support a maximum load of 6 kilograms, utilizing a reinforced weaving process to create a triangular structure around the waist, abdomen, and shoulder, effectively supporting gravity. The handle, made of aluminum alloy and silicone, features a comfortable, anti-slip, and freeze-resistant ergonomic curve grip. A side slider facilitates the installation of accessories such as monitor support, 3026B, microphone, and image transmission, providing convenient access to various features. The price is now as low as $72. Now let's look at this Manfrotto Befree Advanced Tripod, a user-friendly and easy to set up, making it a convenient choice for all travel situations. Its aluminum body ensures it's lightweight for easy carrying, yet sturdy and comprehensive. The exclusive M-Lock locking system has a twist closure with no protruding parts, making the closed tripod easy to transport. The provided plate is compatible with common standard head attachments like Manfrotto and Arca Swiss, allowing for quick configuration. The independent angles of the legs provide creative freedom. The 494 aluminum ball head allows for quick and precise camera positioning with 3 independent controls for clamping, friction, and pan. Overall, the Befree Advanced is a stylish and upgraded range of Manfrotto travel tripods designed to meet the high expectations of travel photographers seeking portable and high-performance support. Now priced at only $162. The newer 700W equivalent softbox kit includes a 24-inch by 24-inch softbox, a 35-watt 5700K LED light bulb, which is equivalent to 700-watt incandescent bulbs, an 83-inch light stand, and a carrying bag. This professional kit is ideal for advertising products, photo art, industrial, scientific, technical photography, and photographic reproduction. The softbox diffuses light, providing even lighting for optimal shots. The UL certified 35W LED light bulb is equivalent to a 350W incandescent light, producing 3,150 lumens for studio photography and video shooting. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, the components are strong for heavy-duty work and feature quick single-action locks for fast, precise height adjustment. The kit comes with a carrying bag for easy transportation and equipment protection. Now it's priced at only $78. Last but not least, the Loa Pro Flipside BP 400AW3 offers convenient access. Simply take the bag off, lay it down, and unzip the back access panel. The grab handle makes it easy to move the bag in this mode. The new single side access offers a secondary entry point for quick lens changes. The updated divider layout allows versatile storage for mirrorless and mixed kit setups, accommodating both camera and non-photo items, along with a travel tripod, 10-inch tablet, and 15-inch laptop. The removable padded interior top pocket is designed for cords and chargers. Equipped with a weather AW cover, the bag protects your gear from rain, snow, dust, and sand. You can load in your DSLR or mirrorless camera with a portrait grip, lenses, or a compact drone. The front storage panel and removable padded accessory pouch are included, all for just $131. So, this was our handpicked 10 best Black Friday deals that you can get right now. Which one did you like the most? Share with us in the comment section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.